Hello, adab, sat sri akal, namaskar, and a very good afternoon to all you happy people. Today, we come to you from the countryside of Bhopal, from a place called Chittora, and bring you this very rare Kaiser M38A1 owned by the famous Munna Mia of Chittora. So we will take you for a drive in this. Munna Mia will show you what this beauty can do, and we will show you the car up close and personal. This is as original as it gets, yet modified for practicality.
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना.
So before we take you for a drive, I wanted to tell you about some features of the M38A1. One of the most prominent one was the rounded fenders. So this actually was different to the MBs or the GPWs or the M38 was the first feature where it was rounded. Besides being a stronger car and a more powerful engine. Moving to the front, it's got those insert recessed lights. That was because they're waterproof, and I will tell you why they were that way. The D-links over here, both. Munna Mia has done a bit of a modification where he's added a winch. Now this is a hydraulic winch, much more powerful than the other one. It works beautifully. So if you're off-roading, you do need this with you. Moving on to the snorkel. So the snorkel has been modified a little. Actually, the snorkel goes up over here, and so does the exhaust. And the reason which I told you about the lights being waterproof is this car can actually go under water, 6 feet of water, and continue working while you're also submerged. One of the other distinct features of the M38A1 is this electricity generator, which we will show you how it works. It's got the battery on the outside. In fact, it's got two batteries, and it's been given a battery case is right here, and if you can see. Moving on, pretty much the same as the M38, the reflectors. It's got the blackout lamps, the spare wheel, the jerry can, the D-rings right here as well. The bumpers are exactly the same as the M38. It's got the trolley socket that connects to the trolley. We'll show you the trolley as well. The original M38A1 trailer made by American Bantam Jeep company, which has made most of the trailers in any case. It has the trailer socket that connects to the main Jeep, and here are the original plates. Reflectors on this side. Another distinct feature is the gas tank. 4.5 inch gas tank which takes 17 gallons. Overall, a much tougher car, much stronger, a stronger engine. And if you can bring the camera here, so it's got the rear pump below the rear seat, and just run it around. It's just a spectacular vehicle maintained by Munna Mia. Very rare that you'll find. There is another one, but that's for the next time. But this is as good as it gets when it comes to a Kaiser M38A1. 101,000 manufactured from 1952 to approximately 71, if I'm not mistaken, and only 21,000 were exported out of the US. So this is one of the 21,000. So cherish it, and we travel far and wide to bring you the rarest of collections, and this is one from Munna Mia's. There's yet one more to come. So just to show you the car from the inside, the M38A1 has the glove box on the driver's side. So that is the glove box. The original steering, the indicator, if you can see, everything's working. The switch for the lights, all the meters, if you can see, it shows miles per hour. All original. The throttle, which is the modern day cruise control, was there in 1953. The plates, so it gives you all the information about the M38. Just an absolute beauty. It still it has the foot start and the fire extinguisher. It's got an extra jerry can over there. The gears have been modified, so it's a modified Isuzu engine with the Isuzu gearbox. Hence, it's got the 4 high, 4 low in a different shape. In the original, there were 2 levers which drove the 4 high and 4 low. The handbrake, the old-fashioned handbrake, right here, and the modified part of it, which you see in black, is what operates the winch. So overall, everything in this car, if I can say, is actually absolutely original. The windscreen, because it was giving trouble to Munna Mia, has been made into one piece of glass. Otherwise, the M38A1s come with a split windscreen. But overall, the car is in absolutely stunning shape. I'll just give you a view from the top as well. Some modifications again on the wipers. Otherwise, the car is in beautiful shape. It's looking stunning, and we will soon take you for a drive in this. So you look at that beauty. It not only is the M38A1, but it's also got the original trolley attached to it. If you can see, Munna Mia driving it. So just to show you that the glove box works, so there you go. Everything in this Jeep works, and that is the important part. So now what I'll do is we will introduce you to the owner and the restorer of this Willys Kaiser M38A1, Mr. Munna Mia. वालेकुम सलाम. और मुन्ना भाई, प्लीज़ आप बता रहे थे कि जनरेटर चला के बताएंगे. So that is the distinct feature of the M38A1. There you go. So just to show you how everything works. There. So you can do your work without actually starting the Jeep, and it works. So just to show you that everything in this Jeep works. Thank you मुन्ना भाई. मुन्ना भाई, ये बताएं कि आपने इसको जो रेस्टोर किया है, कैसी मेहनत लगी?
बहुत मेहनत लगी. अब इसमें तकरीबन 15-16 साल हो उसको लिए.
तो मतलब एक तरह से इश्क ही हो गया. हाँ. तो हमने खुसरो भाई की भी गाड़ी दिखाई थी, उनको लगे थे 21 साल. आप कह रहे हैं 15-20. मगर जो आपकी गाड़ी है ये बहुत ही रेयर है. तो कुछ तो कहानी बताएं इसके बारे में.
बहुत सामान उसका ढूंढ के लाया, सब लगाया, उसे कंप्लीट करी. सारा ऐसे तेरी सब ओरिजिनल है उसकी.
और आप कह रहे थे कि जो इंजन भी जो आपने अभी प्रैक्टिकली डीजल का लगाया है, पर ओरिजिनल आपके पास पड़ा है.
ओरिजिनल सारा सामान रखा, गियर बॉक्स, इंजन, डिफरेंशियल, सब. ये बने खाली इंजन अपने यूज़ के लिए भी, डेली यूज़ अपना रहता है उसमें गाँव पे, तो इसलिए पेट्रोल की वजह.
और ये आई कहाँ से?
ये भोपाल से ली सब.
हाँ, किसके पास थी?
ये काले खां बड़ी वाले बहुत पुराने लोग हैं।
जी जी जी।
भोपाल की बहुत पुरानी केदर है ये।
और ऐसी भोपाल में एक दो और हैं या ये सिर्फ एक ही है?
अब काफ़ी आ गई, 2 एक आ गई हैं अभी।
आ गई हैं, अभी बन रही हैं।
जी हाँ।
मगर फुल मार्क्स मतलब आपने ऐसी गजब की रखी है, मतलब इट इज़ लुकिंग स्टनिंग। और अब आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को अब आप इसके जलवे भी दिखाएंगे। मैंने बस तो फिर चलिए।
जी शुक्रिया।
So such is the connection that jeeps have to Bhopal, and more importantly, Bhopalis have to jeeps. I hope you enjoyed this M38A1. It is one of a kind, and full marks to Munna Mia to maintain it and to use it the way he does. And if you've enjoyed it, please press the subscribe button, and we take your leave and say goodbye. Adab, adab, Sat Sri Akal, and Namaskar, and have a lovely day, all you happy people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.